Hey, I'm Ryan with DIY Painting Tips, and in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Wagner Control Pro 170 airless paint sprayer. This is one of Wagner's models for the homeowner, the do-it-yourselfer, and it's a paint sprayer that I've actually used for years, and I've used it on a bunch of projects myself, and I think it's an absolutely fantastic sprayer. So let's dive in and take a look. So a few of the things that I have used this for personally is I painted my exterior with it. I painted the interior of my shop in here. I have 9-foot ceilings and I put in new drywall and I painted all the walls and the ceilings. I brought it to my daughter's house down in Iowa and we sprayed all her ceilings, walls, and we painted her whole house in one day to get it ready to sell. And not saying it was the paint, but she did great on the sale. I mean, it might have been the paint or the sprayer. I don't know. I've had great luck with it. It's a reliable sprayer. You can do exterior, interior, even put in like a 411 or a 311 tip and do kitchen cabinets, furniture. It's really a do-it-all paint sprayer for the do-it-yourselfer. So here's one of the best recommendations I can probably give for a sprayer like this. And by the way, the Control Pro 170 is about $350. They have the 150 and the 130, both great sprayers. They get a little bit cheaper for a little bit less paint and stuff like that. I've painted my shop here by hand. I just grabbed the roller and brush one time because I believe I left my paint sprayers out on some job site in a trailer. And I spent all day just hand rolling it. Thankfully, it was a nice day. I didn't really care. I knew, and it was fine. Probably took me a good 8 to 10 hours to paint this whole shop. I just repainted it this summer with this sprayer, and the whole shop was about 1 hour. Spraying with an airless sprayer like this and back rolling with a mini roller is just so much faster and so much more efficient than hand painting with a roller and a brush. So if you have any sizable projects at home, the investment here is going to save you so much time. It's well worth it if you're looking to get some of your time back. All right, so wrapping things up, the Wagner Control Pro 170. Great paint sprayer for painting your exterior, for doing interior ceilings, even things like kitchen cabinets and furniture. For the price, it really just can't be beat. It's reliable and it gets the job done. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video and you're looking for more DIY painting videos. If you're looking for a paint sprayer a little bit bigger that can handle some bigger projects, check out our review of the Titan 1900 Pro right over here. And if you want to see how I painted a $4,000 kitchen with a $200 sprayer, check out this video right here.